A very warm welcome to all my lovely students. I hope you all have seen all the parts of chapter 6 Human Resources. Now, moving ahead to part 4, let us start. See, things to be known, that is about the year they have given over here, and the total male female ratios, and also the countries and the states and their literacy level per 100 people and literacy rates of male and female. They have categorized it, and see, you can see the states. First comes Kerala, in literacy total is 93.91, and the literacy rates of male is 96.02, and literacy rate of female is 91.98, and India is 74.04, and literacy rate is 82.14, and literacy rate of female is 65.46. And they have shown of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Pondicherry, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Dadra Nagar Haveli. All the literacy level of all these states and rates of literacy level of rates of male and female, both they have discussed in this chart. Things to know: after the criteria for literacy rates has fixed in the year 1991, if we think about the population, when we think about the population above 6 years and calculate the literacy rate, when we calculate this literacy rate, then what it has shown, an upgrade graph. You can see the upgrade graph in that. Now the top 5 districts in terms of literacy, see which are they: Ahmedabad, Surat, Anand, Gandhinagar and Kheda. See, they have given all this district total literacy rate and male and female also, and they have asked few questions that you have to write on your own. Now moving ahead is the occupational structure. See, any person in the country engaged in any kind of economic activity is included in the occupational growth. See, what is occupational growth? Any person who is there in a country and he is engaged in some kind of economic activity which has related to economic activity, is they all are included in occupational group. Then they are divided into one, earning population, second one dependent population, and see, the earning population is what is constantly increasing. Why? Due to the rapid industrialization in the country. Occupational, see, occupational structure, when we talk about, see, we discussed about the earning population, dependent population. See, the earning population is, they are constantly increasing. Why? Due to the rapid industrialization in the country. And when we talk about the change in the population composition, why? The changes in the composition of population, there are of two types. See, which are these two types? Let us discuss. The first one is quantitative changes. See, what is there in the quantitative changes? Sometimes we notice a rise or a fall in population. See, sometimes we feel that there is a rise and there is a fall in population. And why this thing happen? Due to the population growth, and because of population growth, these things arises. And migration of people, see, population growth as well as migration of people also includes in this. And the condition leading to quantitative changes are landlessness, low per head land ratio, urbanization, as well as social and administrative reasons. See, all these reasons are being counted in the quantitative changes. How the quantitative changes arises? See, quantitative, this happens mainly in the rate of population growth and migration of people, and the changes that is also observed in thinking and nature, lifestyle of living. And see, all these things, they are being counted in the qualitative changes. See, the changes that is observed in the level of health and education, that includes in the qualitative changes. See, it alerts the way of thinking and behavior as well as the style and the standard of living. See, other factors that are responsible for qualitative changes are dedication, hard work, patriotism, enthusiasm, courage, etc. And these factors bring about socio cultural changes. And see, they have discussed about quantitative changes and qualitative changes. And the qualitative changes, we have discussed about the changes, and that is observed, we can see in the level of health and education. See, now the religious group, when we talk about the religious group, see, the main reason of this, these reasons for responsible of these changes are indication, hard work of qualitative changes, national feeling, enthusiasm, bravery, etc. See, religious group, India is a secular nation, and see, in India, Hindus are in majority. We can see the Hindu people in majority. After them comes Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jains, and Parsis respectively. And when we talk about linguistic group, as mentioned in our constitution, there are 22 recognized languages in India, and Hindi and English have been given the status of official and global language. See, which language has given the status of official and global languages? Hindi and English. And Gujarati language is in the seventh place. See where the Gujarati language stands, in the seventh place. See, the states has been formed on the basis of languages. And now we'll discuss about the health structure. See, the health of a person can be defined as the physical, mental, emotional, social, and economic and spiritual well-beings. The best level of health helps in fostering the process of national development. See, the health of a person can be defined as a prosperity achieved through all the elements, that is physical, mental, social, spiritual, economic. See, the highest level of health helps in speeding up the process of national development. See what they have asked to think over here. What is the significance of the health population for the development, for health population for the development of a nation? See, the health of a person means the prosperity that is achieved through all the elements, that is physical, mental, social, spiritual, economic, and the highest level of the health helps in speeding up the process of national development. Now we will discuss about national population policies. See, national population of the population of a nation is its wealth and strength. See, what is the population of nation? It is wealth and strength. And if the human resource is educated, trained, healthy, and strong, then it will foster the development of nation. A careful planned use for human resources builds the foundation for the development of the nation. See, when the human resources of a nation are educated, they are trained, healthy, and strong, then they can contribute greatly to the development of that nation, and to ensure the arrest of any sudden rise in its number, as well as to see that it is used and the development properly, then our government has decided on a national population policy. See, as the government, to keep the pace with the development, it is very important that the human resources developed, and the factors that hampers the progress of nation must be controlled or eliminated. See, the overpopulation is one such factor which has to be dealt with as per the population policy that is adopted since 1951. See, as a part of national population policy, various programs like nutritional food program, care for mother and child, drink water, school health programs, safeguarding the right of children, etc., must reach to the grassroots level. And even the 5-year plan are made keeping the national population policy in focus, and we must resolve to contribute as committed and responsible citizen toward the progress of a nation. See what is said over here, as well as when we see, then there is to ensure there is any certain rise in its number, as well as to see that it is used and developed properly. See, our government has decided a national population policy, and as a part of national population policy, various programs like mother child care and treatment, nutritional food, clean water, providing clean water, school health programs, safeguarding children's rights, etc., have to be made more active and widespread for the progress of our nation. And see, here they have given healthy India, prosperous India slogans. That country is prosperous whose citizens are mentally and physical prosperous. Yes, the country, which country is prosperous when the citizen itself are mentally and physical, they are prosperous. I hope you all have understood very nicely this chapter. Thank you for listening.